Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Robinhood Chain Explorer. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. But guys, before anything, I need you to think of a block explorer as a digital receipt book for the blockchain. Now, how can one access it? Okay, so guys, to use the Robinhood Explorer, head to robinhoodchain.blockscout.com. You could use a browser or any Web3 wallet for this, but I'll be using OKX wallet for the purpose of this. You could see that my wallet has a net worth of 5.36. So let's click explore. Let's type in Robinhood chain, Robinhood chain .blockscout.com. Robinhood chain.blockscout.com. Let's click go. So guys, you could see that on our screen we have average block time, we have latest batch, we have daily transactions, and total addresses. Okay, average block time and daily transaction shows how fast the network processes transactions and how active the chain is today. Okay, while our total addresses tells you how many unique wallets exist on the network. Latest batch, since Robinhood chain is on layer 2 rollup, this shows the latest group of transactions handled up and secured back to Ethereum. Now guys, to track your own trades or check a wallet, paste any wallet address into this search bar, or if you wish to verify a transfer, paste the transaction ID into the search bar and check for gas fees and confirm sender and recipient addresses. So guys, let me paste my wallet address in here. Let's click paste. So this is it right here. Let's tap it. So guys, you could see this is my wallet address. Okay, and you could see that my wallet has a net worth of $5.38. Okay, and it performed around 5 transactions and had 6 transfers. Okay guys, so let's click our tokens. Now here is it guys, you could see that I traded this if token some days back, which is true. So it basically shows you everything you need to know. Okay guys, I believe that's basically it on how to use the Robinhood Chain Block Explorer. Whether you are verifying a token transfer or inspecting smart contracts, the Block Explorer gives you 100% transparency on Robinhood Chain. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.